Hey guys, it's Toast and Lila the Susky Shark.
Hi.
We're getting ready to go fishing. It's the first day of statewide trout opener in Pennsylvania. So what are we going to go look for?
Pickerel.
Yeah, we're going pickerel fishing. Okay guys, the fishing wasn't what we thought it was going to be today. We thought since the weather was great, we had snow just a few days ago, it was stinking hot today, that we'd be able to get on some pickerel and the bite would be pretty good. Well, so much for that. Ended up, landed one decent perch, lost a little bass, but we still had a lot of fun because Lila got to go and play in the dirt, play in the mud, go roam around, take photos of wildlife, saw a bunch of frogs that were, laying eggs and all sorts of cool stuff. So we still had a blast. So let's take a look at what we did. It was still cool, but the pickerel bite wasn't there, guys.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.